I am Iris, and this is just a quick overview, just a quick introduction for my upcoming presentation about the app we developed for the IE project, and also, most importantly, the machine learning application of this app. So let's get started. Now, this is our UI. Well, people always say that we have great UI, but I disagree. I think that we have gorgeous UI. And that's only because I was the UI designer in this project. I can be a little biased. Anyways, if you're interested, you can always click on this link and have a look at our user guide, and just to get an idea about what this app is about in general. And also at the end, at the bottom, you have this link where you can actually download this app on your iPhone and use it. So just go ahead and do it. Now, let's go back to the home view. So one of the main features of this app is that we have a bunch of workout videos. And what you can do is that you can go to the browse view and browse this content directly. But you can also just go to the home view, and we have 2 recommendations for you for the day. And these 2 guys are actually picked by an algorithm called collaborative filtering that's running in the backend. And it's also gonna be the main focus of the entire presentation. It's a high-level system architecture, but it's also really just a quick overview of our IE project. And my role here is a lot of different things from back end to front end. So anything that involved data was me. And so I also co-developed the REST API using Python and the Flask framework. And this API is running in this Elastic Beanstalk container. And so in the same environment, we have this machine learning model that gives us the recommendations that we need for the home view that we just talked about. Well, more on that later. And also, I co-developed the front end, part of the front end as well. And that's me in this project. Now, let's go back to the recommendation system. And we're only gonna talk about this for the rest of the presentation. But before we go any further, let's just ask ourselves a really important question first, which is why? Why recommendation systems at all? And it's definitely not because we have to sprinkle machine learning on everything. So in this presentation, we're gonna first look at some of the simple examples, and then describe how we're gonna build on top of it a much more complicated deep learning model, which is also much more powerful than the simpler versions. And that's it. That's basically what we're gonna cover in the presentation. And finally, we have another shameless self-promotion again. And yeah, thank you.